Hi, welcome to the Pisil Massage or Family Shiatsu course. This is a Department of Health accredited training program. What is Pisil? Pisil is the Filipino version of the Namikouse Shiatsu of Japan. It is designed to help provide an affordable, preventive, or curative remedies for the family. What are the benefits of Pisil? Number 1, it provides physical healing, and it means physical discomfort is alleviated. Number 2, after the treatment, one feels good inside. Number 3, the massage enhances deep relaxation, resulting to a happier individual and family. What are the things needed for the session? Unlike any other form of massages, Pisil massage requirement is minimal. First of all, both the therapist and the client must wear a comfortable clothing. Second, a bed or massage table must be available. Third, a piece of a small and a big towel is necessary. However, in this demo, for easy referencing, towel is not being used. Last but not least, an alcohol for hygienic purposes is needed. Before we begin, ask your client or patient to assume a face-down position on the bed or massage table. The first area to treat is the sole of the left foot, using the two-thumb technique. It has 3 points. Then a 5-second press is applied in the middle of the same foot. Then treatment is applied on both sides of the foot and the Achilles tendon. Then either a light jerk or a thumb press is done on the lower leg. A few light presses is done on the popliteal area. Then what comes next is treatment on the middle part of the upper leg. With thumbs apart, apply 3 to 5 second treatment on the coccyx area. It has 3 points each. Proceed to the gluteal area, applying 3 to 5 second pressure on 3 points diagonally. Place both thumbs on the lumbar area and apply 3 to 5 second treatment on 3 points. Position both thumbs in the upper back. Perform 3 to 5 second treatment beside the spinal column. It has 4 lines. On each line, it has 9 points. You may apply pressure simultaneously or alternately. Grasp the nape using thumb and 4 fingers, applying pressure on both sides. Each side has 3 points. Locate your thumb on the middle oblongata and apply a 5-second pressure. The direction of the movement is toward the eyes of the client. After this, you may ask your client to assume a supine position or face up. What comes next is treatment on the dorsal part of the foot. Then one by one, the toes receive treatment as well. A light shaking on the toes is performed. Then a leg stretching is done, slowly but surely. Then a few presses done around the kneecap. Another set of shaking is also performed here. Then what comes next is treatment on the middle part of the upper leg. Then treatment on the lateral side of the upper leg is performed. and then a few treatment on the lateral side of the arm. Then what comes next is treatment on the cubital fossa. Then we proceed on the treatment on the medial part of the forearm. It has 3 lines, and on these 3 lines you may have 3 or 6 points each. Then we may proceed on our treatment on the lateral side of the forearm. We may use 2 thumbs, and it has 6 points. At this point, we grasp the hand and perform treatment on its dorsal side. It has 3 lines, and on each line it has 3 points. Then we do rotation of the hand, clockwise and counterclockwise. Then we pull the hand through the fingers 3 times, and then shake. Then we proceed working on the chest. Make sure to ask permission when you do this. The chest has 6 lines on its side. Each line has 3 points each. Then we apply a push and pull movement a few times as well. At this point, we are ready to proceed treatment on the face. Make sure to wash your hands with an alcohol, and again ask permission before touching the face. We begin treatment on the eye area. It has 3 points on both sides. After which, move downward on the temporal area. Again, it has 3 points. Make sure to apply gentle pressure only. Using your middle and index finger, apply 3 points beside the nose. On both sides of the zygomatic bone, apply 3 points each. We are now ready to perform treatment on the head. Use either 2-thumb or thumb-on-thumb technique. Start by moving downward on 3 points, then 3 points on each side, then another 3 points downward. Then using both thumbs, apply 3 points sidewise simultaneously. We are now approaching the final stretch of the shiatsu treatment. According to the Japanese belief system, the stomach, or hara, is, and I quote, center of the universe. We may start treatment through palpation using our right hand. It has 9 points. As our sensei in Japan tells us, to help improve the bowel movement, we apply clockwise rotation on the stomach. Then, a light vibration is performed. After which, a centering motion by moving hands back and forth is applied. Then hands are slid on the sides of the client, and then the kidneys are gently tapped. A brush stroke is performed again on the sides. Finally, a non-repetition brush stroke is done in the abdomen area, using both hands alternately. Then a final vibration is gently applied. The treatment is now done and over with. This is Sensei Benjie Eugenio from Asian Wellness and Spa Academy. Mabuhay and maraming salamat!